Hey, so I want to talk about, water getting past. And as you can see, this is down the bottom of that slide out. You can see all the rust and the wood damage. So when this thing is flipped up, if that edge of silicone that's missing on here, once this goes all the way up, if that's missing or damaged, it will cause water to get and dirt to get back in there like that, and then cause damage to the floor. So make sure you're keeping up on all your sealants and on all your maintenance. And you can see underneath here where the water was degrading. And this is just OSB, everybody. This is just chipboard. And so like my guys are saying in the background, it's like a sponge. It's just gonna suck up the water and dry rot the floor and damage it.
And that's what happened. So there was already getting water.
It was already getting water damage in it.
And when the unit dropped, boom, it pushed the rollers all up into the floor.
Oh, and it damaged the floor, so now it's hanging up.
That's why the floor's gotta get fixed.
So it's kind of a good thing that happened. They didn't know that it was leaking like that.
On top of that, look at all the screws.
Oh yeah, they were all rusted and broken off.